Today we are going to discuss about the preparation strategy for upcoming bank examinations. Okay, the major bank exams are SBI, State Bank of India, PO and clerk. Clerk or another name is junior associate, etc. Okay, then IBPS, RRB, Regional Rural Bank, like Kerala Grameen Bank, Karnataka Grameen Bank, Regional Rural Bank. We have a PO exam and also clerk exam. Then IBPS conducting nationalized banks, Canara Bank, Syndicate Bank, Union Bank, Corporation Bank, that type of nationalized banks, PO and clerk. Okay, these three SBI, IBPS, RRB, IBPS exams are conducting every year. Okay, moving to the syllabus, SBI, PO and clerk, QA, reasoning and English. Preliminary, for preliminary, QA, reasoning and English. Okay, IBPS have QA, reasoning and English preliminary exams, but IBPS RRB only QA and reasoning are there. Okay, preliminary, here preliminary exams QA, reasoning, English are there. Also IBPS, PO and clerk have QA, reasoning and English are there, but in IBPS RRB the notification is expecting June month. Okay, IBPS RRB, PO and clerk have only QA and reasoning are there on for preliminary exam. Going to main exam, all the exams are same. QA, reasoning, general awareness consists of banking awareness, current affairs, general awareness, computer knowledge and English. Okay, English mostly 200 questions. Okay, mostly 200 questions are there. It's about 120 minutes. Here for this exam 100 questions, 60 minutes. IBPS, PO and clerk 100 questions, 60 minutes. IBPS RRB, Regional Rural Bank, how many questions? 80 questions, 45 minutes. Okay, RRB, PO and clerk have 80 questions and 45 minutes. Here no sectional timing are there. For QA this time 30 minutes for QA, reasoning 30 minutes for reasoning, that is section time. No sectional timing are there. Total 80 question, total 45 minutes. But SBI and IBPS have sectional timing. QA have 20 minutes, reasoning have 20 minutes, English have 20 minutes. Total 60 minutes, 100 questions. And QA have 35 questions, reasoning have 35 questions, and English have 30 questions, also 30 mark. 35, 35, 30, that is 100. Same for SBI, PO and clerk. These are the exam pattern. Okay, then next step is preparation. How we prepare these exams? What is the right strategy for preparing these exams? There were mainly 3 steps. How much? 3 steps. First step is learn all basics and concepts. Okay, first we have a syllabus. Go through the syllabus and learn all the chapters. Example, simplification, time and distance, profit and loss. Go through all the chapters and learn all the basics. Okay, for QA, reasoning, English and also current affairs. Okay, that is the first step. We must complete all the topics and all the syllabus. It will take about 50 days or 40 days or 30 days. Okay, go through all the syllabus and learn all the basics. Then the second step is practice. Practice moderate level questions and the previous year questions. Practice moderate level and previous year questions. And if you have a question bank or any materials, you can also practice that questions. Okay, then second step is practice. You must have a rank file or previous year question papers, previous year last 5 year IBPS PO question bank, or for various publication. A rank file must necessary. I have a rank file. This is one of the rank file of BSc publication. Okay, this is a previous year IBPS bank PO exams for last 5 years. Okay, so you must have a previous year question bank or rank file for practice moderate level and previous level and any type of questions. Okay, then last step is do mock test. Do mock test. Okay, these 3 steps are there. Do mock test is the last step. First step is learn all concepts. Second is practice moderate level, not basic level. Basic level questions are completed on this section. Okay, then practice moderate level and previous year question paper, then do mock test. Okay, these are the right way for preparing these exams. Okay, for QA reasoning and English, some of the topic we must give a special preference because it have a much number of questions from that topic. Okay, QA, first simplification. Simplification have 10 to 12 questions. If we take an exam of 35 marks of QA, about 10, 11 or 8, 10, 11 range questions were from simplification, normal simplification. Okay, it's very important. So we must increase speed, accuracy by doing much number of questions from simplification. Very important section of QA, simplification. Then DI, data interpretation, about 2 or 3 bar graph, chart, pie chart, tables were there. Okay, each set consists of 5 questions. If 2 data interpretation questions are there, so 5 plus 5, 10 questions from data interpretation. So very important topic, data interpretation. They have all the topics, relation, proportion, percentage, average. Okay, so data interpretation very important. Simplification, data interpretation, then quadratic equation, these 2 are very important. Then quadratic equations, then remaining miscellaneous topic, profit and loss, probability, time and distance, time and work, remaining miscellaneous. Okay, these are the important areas: simplification, data interpretation, then miscellaneous, remaining all topics, and the quadratic equations. Very important. In the case of reasoning, the major scoring area is puzzle, seating arrangement. Puzzle is the major scoring area of reasoning. Puzzle, seating arrangement, Then blood relations, less number of questions. Puzzle seating arrangement. Here one more. QA have one more number series or missing series. Okay, missing series. Missing series 6, 10, 14 dash. That type of question, missing series. Okay, much important, missing series. Here in the case of reasoning, puzzle seating arrangement, statements and conclusion, syllogism. Puzzle seating arrangement, syllogism, inequality. These are the core topics. Puzzle seating arrangement, syllogism, inequality, then statements and assumption. Then the remaining topics, miscellaneous. So the important were puzzle. Puzzle is the first problem. Puzzle, seating arrangement, syllogism, inequality. If you study these four very well, you can clear reasoning. These are the special areas of QA reasoning to score good marks. Okay, so we must give more time for these topics: simplification, data interpretation, missing series, quadratic equation, then all remaining topic. Then puzzle is important, seating arrangement, syllogism, inequality. Very important is puzzle. Okay, must study 3 to 4 hours at least a day. 3 to 4 hours at least, and daily you will do about 20 simplification questions with timer. 20 questions, first 20 minutes, then next day 20 questions, 15 minutes, or like that. You should reduce the time and do more number of questions. Okay, simplification, daily do simplification problems. Okay, simplification, then daily 1 or 2 puzzle or seating arrangement, very important. Then go through the remaining topic. Okay, so in reasoning you must do 1 or 2 puzzle. In QA you must do number of questions with less time. Timer, use a timer. Number of questions, do much number of questions with short time. Okay, hard work is very essential for this bank exams compared to other exams like PSC or any other exams. The main benefit is there is no any delay compared to Kerala PSC or Indian Railway or any other. There is no any delay. The calendar will give before 2 months, and the preliminary exam will be conducted on this month, and the mains exam is also, mains date is also there. Okay, clerk have no interview, PO have interview. Preliminary, mains, the full work is completed within 6 months. There is no any delay. Okay, so once you start prepare very well, about 3 or 4 months, heavy hard work, you can crack. Within 6 months you can crack any bank exam. Newspaper reading is very important for this bank exam. Try to read at least any one newspaper every day. The example is the Hindu or Indian Express. Don't use Malayalam newspaper, English newspaper. Okay, read the articles related to banking, finance. Only the article related to banking, finance, sports, awards, like that. Okay, don't read the politics page or advertisement page or program page or any that type. Don't consider that pages. Only read the articles related to banking, finance, sports, awards, like that. Okay, if you don't have a newspaper, there were lots of websites and apps were available on Play Store. Okay, use that source also. A huge number of vacancies were coming. That is from SBI to IBPS. It's about 20,000 vacancies or 25,000 vacancies. A total of 20 or 24,000 vacancies are there. So you are the one of the winner. You can do it. Don't make any excuses that I didn't have any time to prepare or I didn't have a mood to study. Don't make any excuses. Create a timetable. I will study 5 hours a day, or I will study 2 hours QA, 3 hours reasoning, 1 hour English. Okay, create a timetable and follow. Following is very important. We can create any timetable, so following timetable is very important. Okay, so do hard work for about 2 to 3 months, at least 3 months. Okay, that's all about. Thank you.